Hi, my name is Aaron Christensen, and I'm a project manager at the YKK Solutions Group. You probably already know YKK for our high-quality zippers and other fastening products. But did you know that we also provide consultation on new product development, process improvement, assembly services, and custom machinery? Our services will solve your problems and help your business to grow. More than 80 years in business means that YKK has an enormous amount of know-how in sewing operations, waste reduction, and process improvement. Our solutions group puts that knowledge to work for you, provide not only products, but fastening solutions. Let's take a look at what we've achieved for some of our other customers.
My name is Brian Robinson. I'm a sales engineer with the Solutions Group. Our solutions team met with a tactical gear manufacturer to help them install the zipper. They were using as much as 6 different steps to do this process. We met with them and determined that a SEW 200 system, possibly 2 of them, could greatly reduce this process down to at least 1 step. We implemented the machine, and the end result was we took 40 hours of work down to 4 hours of work, and we were able to solve their issues. We had an automotive manufacturer contact us trying to source magnets for one of their seatbelt routers. Being the Solutions Group, we wanted to actually see the process and see the design. When we were able to do that, we were able to come up with design improvements. We looked even further into it and we decided that instead of using multiple suppliers, we could be the supplier for all the components. By doing that, we greatly reduced the need for the manufacturer to source different locations, and we were able to source and assemble directly with YKK.
My name is Steven Avendano, and I'm a project development engineer. An automotive manufacturer approached YKK for a solution to a problem where trim cover pieces would not stay in place during the vehicle's full range of motion. YKK proposed a simpler idea that implements a sewn elastic assembly that keeps constant tension and eliminates costly components from the original design idea. For one jeans manufacturer, installation of the zipper was originally a manual process with 1 operator at each stage of production. With the introduction of YKK machinery, the jeans fly assembly process was reduced on average from 3 operators down to 1.5. The gap between each fly was eliminated, resulting in savings of $10,000 annually in waste reduction.
If you want to improve the efficiency and quality of your manufacturing operations, look no further than the YKK Solutions Group. We hope to hear from you soon.